A vast body of water, a serene mountain landscape, a wonderfully diverse ecosystem. This is Lake Habib, located in Allegheny County, Maryland, and nestled within Rocky Gap State Park. This 243-acre lake was established in 1970 when the Army Corps of Engineers constructed a dam. 4 years later, Rocky Gap State Park was officially opened on July 17, 1974. Today, Rocky Gap State Park spans 3,000 acres and is managed by the Maryland Department of Natural Resources. Similar to all of the other lakes in Maryland, this one was not naturally formed. The lake is entirely man-made and requires the use of a dam. Water makes its way from Rocky Gap Run to form this large body of water. The area offers a wide range of recreational activities year-round. Boating and fishing are permitted on the water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Canoe and kayak rentals are available between Memorial Day weekend and Labor Day. In addition, the park offers 3 public beach areas along Habib's 9.4-mile shoreline. Hikers of all skill levels can enjoy a nice walk on several trails surrounding the lake. The Canyon Overlook Trail passes through a hemlock forest dense with rhododendron and mountain laurel. At the end of the trail, hikers are rewarded with an impressive view of a mile-long gorge. Nearby, the quarter-mile Touch of Nature Trail is an easy path that leads to the fishing dock and connects with the lakeside loop. One of the more challenging paths in the park is the 5.3-mile Lakeside Loop Trail, providing an excellent opportunity to view the lake from different angles. Along the way, hikers can experience the many sights and sounds this area has to offer. On a nice day, the water appears clear and calm, reaching a maximum depth of 74 feet. Many species of fish populate the lake, including panfish, trout, catfish, and large and smallmouth bass. Birds such as red-winged blackbirds, robins, and turkey vultures inhabit the surrounding area. Meanwhile, geese and ducks can be found enjoying life on the water. Travelers searching for a peaceful retreat in Maryland should certainly consider checking out Rocky Gap State Park. Within Tucker County, West Virginia, the Canyon Valley is home to a remarkable gathering of natural wonders. A popular destination is Blackwater Falls State Park, nestled within the Allegheny Mountains and approximately 2 miles from the town of Davis. The park is open year-round, welcoming its many visitors to enjoy a range of impressive venues. For a far-reaching view of Blackwater Canyon, head to Pendleton Point Overlook. Just a short distance from the parking lot, this vantage point surveys the canyon's deepest and widest point. From here, Blackwater Lodge can be seen on the opposite side, surrounded by dense forest. To the right of the lodge is the cascading Pendleton Falls, which features a 150-foot drop into Blackwater Canyon. By far, the most popular feature of the park is Blackwater Falls, one of the most photographed sites in West Virginia. Access to this amazing landmark comes in two forms. On the left-hand side is a set of stairs, taking visitors down 214 steps to the base of the falls. Alternatively, a higher viewpoint can be reached on the right-hand side, just off the main road. At the head of Blackwater Canyon, a 62-foot drop produces a rather unique display of brilliance. The roar of Blackwater Falls is unmistakable. The black water results from concentrations of tannic acid produced by fallen hemlock and red spruce needles. An intriguing rock formation in the center creates a divide in the flow of water. It would be easy to spend a great deal of time here, taking in all of the sights and sounds. From the lodge, a short walk along the Elakela Trail leads hikers over the upper section of another waterfall. The waters of Shea Run cascade down the edge of Blackwater Canyon to create Elakela Falls. There are 4 parts to Elakela, the first being the easiest to access along a short bridge. The 3 remaining sections are more difficult to reach, with steep inclines and a lack of marked trails. Hikers who are inexperienced should not attempt the journey. Not far from the park lodge, a 0.3-mile nature trail leads to the magnificent Lindy Point. Here, a large viewing platform provides a panoramic view of the Blackwater Canyon. Surrounding the platform are several enormous rock towers, making this view all the more unique. Approximately 35 miles from Blackwater is the site of Seneca Rocks, a remarkable geological monument. It is the only true peak on the east coast of the United States. This means that the top of the mountain can only be accessed by technical rock climbing techniques. Seneca Rocks is a prominent formation, rising nearly 900 feet above the North Fork of the South Branch of the Potomac River. The formation is comprised of a north and south peak, with a central notch between. It is one of the most well-known scenic attractions in the Canyon Valley. The Seneca Rocks Discovery Center offers excellent views of the formation and provides access to the river from the lower parking lot. The Canaan Valley is also home to the nation's 500th member of the National Wildlife Refuge System. Following the program's launch in 1903, the NWRS has grown to include more than 150 million acres across more than 550 refuges. The ultimate goal of the system is to conserve America's fish, wildlife, and plants. This particular refuge works to preserve the unique wetlands and uplands of this high-elevation valley. It was established on August 11, 1994, and currently spans over 16,000 acres. The climate here is cool and moist, more typical of Maine and Canada. The refuge supports a diverse range of life, including 580 species of plants and 288 different animals. Here, the area welcomes visitors to enjoy more than 20 miles of trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. The Freeland Boardwalk Trail is an easy path, offering nice views of the Canaan Valley. The boardwalk leads through a wet field, shrubland, and past a beaver pond. As a whole, the refuge offers a welcoming, safe, and accessible place to connect with the natural world. "40 miles north of Blackwater Falls is another gorgeous state park. Located in Garrett County, Maryland, Swallow Falls State Park is home to an array of incredible cascades. Along the path, visitors have the opportunity to enjoy 3 distinctive waterfalls. One of these is Muddy Creek Falls. At 53 feet high, it is the tallest free-falling waterfall in the state of Maryland. The upper and lower viewing areas provide some excellent opportunities to see the falls from different angles. Following the trail further, the park's namesake comes into view. Swallow Falls features two impressive drops at 15 feet each. A small beach area offers easy access to view the falls in its entirety. Additionally, visitors can take a short path to the top where several large rocks allow for a more intimate view. From here, the sheer power of Swallow Falls becomes apparent. The last segment of the journey brings hikers to Tolliver Falls. While shorter than the other two attractions, it still offers a wonderful display of natural beauty. For those seeking a relaxing stroll through old forest or majestic views of waterfalls, consider stopping by Swallow Falls State Park. We hope you've enjoyed this brief journey through West Virginia and Western Maryland. These state parks offer us a way to be closer to the natural world. Closer to the relaxing sights and sounds. Closer to the wondrous creatures that share our planet. So the next time you venture out, consider stopping by your local park. You never know what you might discover. Today, Rocky Gap State Park spans 3,000 acres and is managed by the Maryland Department of Natural Resources. A vast body of water, a serene mountain landscape, a wonderfully diverse ecosystem. This is Lake Habib, located in Allegheny County, Maryland, and nestled within Rocky. Gap State Park. This 243-acre lake was established in 1970 when the Army Corps of Engineers constructed a dam. 4 years later, Rocky Gap State Park was officially opened on July 17, 1974. Similar to all of the other lakes in Maryland, this one was not naturally formed. The lake is entirely man-made and requires the use of a dam. Water makes its way from Rocky Gap Run to form this large body of water.